Hi everyone. Now you need to understand the testing type classification. So the objective of this session is all about what are the problems in figuring out the difference between and to understand difference between the functional versus responsive testing, should know about responsive versus UI testing, user interface and usability testing. You will be able to understand about the functional versus responsive testing and about responsive versus UI testing and user interface versus usability testing. So functional versus responsive testing is all about functionality testing is a way of checking software to ensure that it has all the required functionality that's specified within its function requirement. So you can see example of functional requirement. If you click here, nothing happened by clicking this button. This is called as the functional issue, guys, and you need to report. Responsive testing, designer design approach to web page creation that makes use of flexible layouts, flexible images, and cascading style sheets media required. Example, as you can see, your website look and feel you can see here in all the different devices are working same as expected, and user getting the real-time experience. There is no error. UI testing is called as the user interface testing is the process of testing a product graphical user interface to ensure it meets its specification. As example, you can see that here, this is the issue now. In this application, this is cutting. So you need to report that the menu item is not displaying and the customer needs to make some corrective actions. Usability testing basically refer to the use of software, how much the software is easy to use and understand for a lame or non-technical user. And the example of usability testing is the real users doing the real task, prototyping or live products observed, not guided. So what would you do the next? And I think I click here. So this is, you will be able to see the real-time example. The user experience is not good and they are struggling to find out the expected information. So we have discussed in this session about the functional responsive testing, UI testing, usability testing. Now I hope that all these terms and techniques will help you to understand how to perform the functional responsive testing, UI testing and the usability testing with respect to customer experience is easy or not, or if they are struggling or making a fun with the application testing. So I hope you like this session. Looking forward for another session. Thank you very much.